Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we will be going to learn about functions in JavaScript. As you all know, functions are nothing but help us to write modularized code. Suppose there is a block of code that is getting repeated in our code again and again. Okay, so what we can do that we can put that code in function. Okay, and use that function wherever we need instead of writing that code again and again. So what it helps us in, it helps us in writing code without any mistake. Okay, because if we are writing same code again and again, suppose that code is needed in number of thousands of files, so there may be we are a developer, we are human, we can make mistake. So that's why functions come into picture. Let us see how we can define a function in JavaScript. um, in JavaScript, functions are, we have a function keyword and we have to give a function name whatever we want to give. So, okay, I am here giving ABC. Okay, and initialize the function body. Here, whatever function logic you need to define, you can define inside it. Okay, it can be any mathematical calculation, it can be anything. Okay, like here, if I want to alert. Okay, so console of hi there. So this is my function. Now I want to use this function by calling it. Okay, so how can I call this function by its name? So function name is ABC, and these brackets are needed for function call. Okay, now I want to now I need to run this function. Okay, so when the function runs, whatever this inside this function is, I am printing. I am simply printing on the console hi there, and that's why it's get printed. Okay, after the call was made. Um, Let us see other things also. So in another languages you see, we have arguments also, like argument one, argument two, argument three. So in another languages like C++, we have to define a type also, such like type, int, char, string, whatever. Okay. So this is not the case in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have types as variable, let const. Okay. We even don't have to write a bar let const here also. We can simply, write the names only of the variable. Okay. We can simply write the names of the variable. So these are called parameters. Okay, so what parameter does, suppose if I pass the values here 1 2 3. Okay, so these values are received, so these are called as arguments. Okay, whatever I passed in function calls inside here, these are called arguments, and whatever is received here, it is called as parameters. Okay, so these are parameters, and these are 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. These are our arguments. So whatever I pass here, it will be received here. Okay, in the parameters, and I can use these arguments here in our body. Okay, suppose I want to return the sum of these arguments. Okay, so I will write a function called sum, and here I will instead of doing console.log, I am returning the result. Okay, like sum argument 1 plus arg3 2 plus arg3. Okay, so where this sum will go, so we are returning this from this sum function. So this result will return to from where the call was made. The call was made from here, so this sum will be received here. So let us check how it is getting received. So let me console log this function call. So here you can see that 1 plus 2 comma 2 plus 3, that is 6, is getting printed here. Okay, so whatever we return from the function, you know, get returned to the function call, or where the call is made. Okay, so one we can do one thing here, like I can store the result in the result variable also. Okay, and try to console print this result with the help of console. Okay, so here same 6 is getting printed. Let us see one more thing here. Suppose here I am receiving three parameters, but I have passed only if suppose one only or nothing. Okay, I have passed nothing, but here I am receiving the arguments. So what will be the answer in this case? So let us see. So in this case, the answer is not a number. Okay, why so? Because this call is treated as na behind the scenes. It is getting treated something like undefined, undefined, undefined. Okay, so this argument is receiving undefined arg2 also, arg3 also. That's why the sum of these, that is not a number. And similarly, if I passed here only two arguments, but received parameters are three, so here it will be treated as one will be received in arg1, two will be received in arg2, and in arg3 arg3 it will be undefined. Okay, so whenever so here it will look something like 1 plus 2 plus undefined, which is a which is again not a number. You can check also 1 plus any number plus undefined. Okay, give us not a number. Okay, so this is the basics of function we have covered in this video. We will see more about function. There are many things to learn about function. Okay, in JavaScript. So we will see in that in upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching the video.